Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily, and today I am showing you the hack for a cut crease that I stumbled upon by accident that will change your cut crease life. I probably didn't invent this. This is probably not brand new information, but it is to me, and I am mind blown. So if you are interested in learning a cut crease hack for even cut creases that just follow your eye shape perfectly, if you have hooded eyes, stay tuned. Okay, we're super zoomed in and we are going to go from this to this. And this was something I stumbled along quite by accident. Generally when I do my cut creases, I will try and draw the whole shape with my brush with my eye closed one at a time, and I struggle to get the line even. I struggle to get the line, nice and straight. And I have concealer up here when I just did that. Whoops. Anyways, I've always struggled with getting the lines to look even. Doing my cut crease, I accidentally had to look up. Lo and behold, I stumbled upon this trick. So I am using the E.L.F. Camo Concealer, the hydrating one. So it doesn't dry super quick, and that's what I like about it, because I still am not an expert at these, but this is something that I have certainly gotten better at over the years, and this has made it so much easier. So what you do is I like to come in from above with my paddle brush and put the concealer just above my lash line. You don't need to worry about being precise going upwards. You just don't want too much on your lashes. And then open your eye and look down and look up and scrunch and look what's left behind. It's your outline for your cut crease. I used to keep my eye closed the whole time to try and draw out this line, and then just by being interrupted doing it one day and having to open up my eye, I realized that my hooded eyeness actually helps me in this. And then I can just take my brush and fill in the rest, follow the line now that it's already there, and fill it in, and it'll be even. Well, I'm out of frame, sorry. And then it'll be even to the other side because my actual eye shape created the line. You just trace along, smooth it out. And you want to feather your edge. And I will fix the rest of that with shadow later, of course. Blend it in. But now when my eyes are open or closed, they're relatively even. Now this one has a fair bit more concealer on it because this one has been sitting here a while and has dried down. So I'm going to add some concealer back to this side, and then I will put my shadow on, my damp concealer, and finish off my eyes, and I'll show you the final look. So as you can see now, I've finished my look and I've got mascara on. I don't have my lower lash mascara on because I haven't done my base yet. I almost always do my eyes first because I'm not the best at keeping it within the lines. Because my eyes are so small, I tend to just and then clean it up. So here's my cut creases. They're a little more than half, they're a bit 3/4, but that's sort of what I like to do. I like to take it almost to where I've put my darker colors to darken it up. And I am just blown away at this hack. I am blown away at this hack. I'm gonna zoom you back out again. I can't believe nobody told me about this. Like, I can't believe nobody told me about this. I am just mind blown. And maybe I'm the last on earth. Maybe you're watching this and going, oh my God, like people have been doing this for years. How come you didn't know about this? I don't know. I don't know how come I didn't know about this, but I figured it out on accident. I'm sure I didn't invent it. I'm sure it's all over the place, but I had to share it just in case you were like me and hadn't seen this before. who knew it was easy as putting a bunch of concealer along your lash line and then looking around? Like, who knew? I didn't know. I always thought I had to draw the line freehand with my little paintbrush on my face, and I'm mind blown. Welcome to the land of even cut creases. You're welcome. That's it for me today. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wash your damn hands. Bye.